Imagine you own a classic car. You're proud of it, and you enjoy working on it yourself. It might not be the fastest car, but it means the world to you. Unfortunately, it's not the most reliable. So if you don't want any unpleasant surprises when you drive on Sunday, you need to get your car professionally tuned on Saturday. If you have the same doubts about your AWS cloud environment, whether you want to place your new application into production, or you want to know if you are still competitive in your sector and ready for the coming years, let our Devoteam professionals check your environment. With the Well-Architected Framework Review, we offer a free checkup of your environment. We look at security, operational excellence, and more through the lens of your specific sector. We correct and improve together and help you drive your AWS cloud environment worry-free. Check out everything and more on our dedicated webpage.